Bella, the poor cat on the street. Rich white cat Maxi marking Bella. Bella working hard to earn money. Bella learning business skills. Bella saving money and planning. Bella starting her own business. Bella becoming more successful. Bella buying a luxury car. Maxi shocked to see Bella's success. Bella teaches Maxi a lesson about hard work. Hard work, patience, and determination can change anyone's life. Bella, the once smug poor kitten, proved that true success comes from effort and perseverance. Even though Maxi had everything, he never worked hard, while Bella built her future step by step.